black-necked swan is the smallest species in the Cygnus genus, reaching up to 124 centimetres in length. They have a white body with black neck and head. The distinctive red knob at the base of the bill develops in their third or fourth year. Black-necked swans mate for life and lay clutches of 3 to 7 eggs, which take about 35 days to hatch. They are one of the fastest flying swans, reaching speeds of up to 50 miles an hour. Fulvous whistling ducks have a mainly red-brown plumage, long legs and a grey bill. They can give a whistling call when in flight or on the ground. They have a very wide range across 4 continents, preferring lowland marsh swamps or rice field habitats. Eggs in clutches of around 10 are incubated by both parents in turns. Chilean flamingos inhabit muddy, shallow, alkaline and brackish lakes. Reaching heights of up to 130 centimetres, their conservation status is listed as near threatened. In the wild, these sociable birds can live in flocks of tens of thousands. The bill is black at the end and white at the head. It contains special comb-like filtering structures that allow the birds to collect food such as algae, crustaceans, insects and molluscs out of the water. The pink feather colour depends on their diet containing enough carotenoids, or else the feathers become almost white. Nests are made from mounds of mud, and the female will lay a single white egg which both parents will incubate. The striated caracara is another near-threatened species. It is a bird of prey, but is an opportunistic feeder, consuming carrion, seabirds, marine mammals, eggs and invertebrates. It lays 2 to 4 eggs in a nest made of twigs and grass. The scarlet ibis has a very distinctive appearance due to its striking colour. Its long, thin bill is used to probe soft mud for aquatic insects to eat. Southern screamers are large, heavy-bodied birds and capable swimmers. They are usually found wading in shallow water or perched in trees nearby. They call loudly when startled or spotting predators. Burrowing owls can live for at least 9 years in the wild. They will often nest and roost in burrows made by ground squirrels, but can excavate their own if the ground is not too hard. They are a small, long-legged species of owl, primarily terrestrial and often active in daytime. They often line their nests with dung, and the female will lay around 9 eggs, which she incubates while the male brings her food. The bare-faced curassows' natural habitats are forests in subtropical or tropical America, where it is listed as vulnerable. They are ground feeders, eating vegetation, fruits and insects. They roost and nest in trees. It is a fairly large bird, reaching up to 92 centimetres in length. The orange-winged parrot is a large Amazon parrot. It is mainly green, but the orange wing and tail feathers can be seen when it's in flight. They are noisy birds which roost in palms and other trees and nest in tree cavities. They can live for up to 70 years. Great arrears live in low vegetation grasslands and pampas areas. They are ground nesting birds, with the males choosing the location and building the nests. Males will mate with several females, who will then lay 20 to 40 eggs per season. It is the largest South American bird. It is also flightless, but has powerful legs. They are near threatened in the wild due to encroachment from farms and ranches into their territories. The blue-throated piping guan gets the piping part of its name from the calls it makes during the breeding season. They feed mainly on fruit and leaves. The females lay around 3 eggs in a basic twig nest with little lining. Outside the breeding season, they can congregate in flocks of about 30. Great horned owls are built for hunting, with large wings, powerful talons and a sharp bill. The outer ears are asymmetrical, allowing triangulation when hunting at night. Their eyes are only slightly smaller than a human's, but are cylindrical to act like a telephoto lens. It is a very adaptable species and is found in a wide range of habitats. Blue and yellow macaws can reach 91 centimetres in length and 1.5 kilos in weight. They live for up to 35 years in the wild. Generally, they mate for life, nesting in dead palms and laying clutches of 2 to 3 eggs, which are incubated for about 28 days. Green-winged macaws live in tropical forests, spending much of their time in treetops and nesting in holes. They reach up to 95 centimetres in length and 1.7 kilograms in weight. They eat fruit, seeds, nuts, bones and clay. The Patagonian conure, or burrowing parrot, is native to Argentina and Chile. They excavate burrows in cliff faces and ravines, which can be up to 3 metres deep. They often reuse the burrows in subsequent years, sometimes enlarging them. They nest in large colonies, helping to reduce predation.